It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Check it out. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have got 2 giant boxes of Bath & Body Works. I am so excited to dig into these. Oh, I'm like, where are my scissors? I got my scissors here. I got my tea. I went out this morning. Got my McDonald's tea. I am ready to go. I think the mermaid is in one of these boxes. I'm not sure, but we're going to find out. Also today at Bath & Body Works, they're doing the $5.95 men's care sale, which is a good deal. I mean, if you're in the market for some of the men's products, $5.95 on the cream, the body wash, the body spray, and then the bar soap. It's not a great deal on the bar soap, but not bad. They've got the online exclusives. They've got the black tie. They've got the vintage. But still, you know, good deal on the men's care if you're looking for that. So I gotta dig into these boxes. We'll do the little one first. It's funny. Anytime I get a box, I want to open it. I'm like, no, I'm gonna do it on camera. I'm absolutely gonna do it on camera so I can share it with you guys. So first up, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. I wanted these so much. These are the Happy Easter pocket bags. This is the Somebody Loves You. So I got 5 of those. I got the cacao rose in the body wash. In the body cream. This does smell really rosy. I gotta review this stuff. I got the lavender mint. I like this one. And then I also got the rose tangerine tea. This was the aromatherapy sale. Remember we had the aromatherapy sale? Okay, I'm going to check the box here. Okay, I can see now. Check it out. New shirt. This is my other shirt I got at Kohl's. They were like 2 for $20. I got Scooby-Doo and I got Stranger Things. How fun is that? What is this? Oh, this is the free candle. Oh my goodness. So, fresh spring morning. I'm not going to like this one. I know I'm not. I love the bird. I love the lid. I like it better than the Fresh Lemon Waves. It's floral. This one is Spring Morning Dew, Aloe Blossoms, Creamy Orange Flower. It's a floral. Not bad, though. Check it out. Blue wax. But that was the free candle. That was fun to get a free candle. Okay. Big box. You guys ready? The mermaid. Now, if you saw my video about 2 weeks ago, I was like, I'm not getting the mermaid. I'm not getting it. The mermaid is ugly. I'm not getting the mermaid. So then a bunch of people were like, no, it's better in person. And, you know, I always believe you guys because you give me really good advice. So I'm like, I'm getting the mermaid. And then after I started looking at it, I'm like, I bet it is really pretty. I don't know. There was something about it with the glitter. So I've got the mermaid in here. Hopefully the mermaid's not leaking. I also got more butterfly. I got the bubble bath. Check it out. I'm going to do a whole big butterfly video. I want to review the perfume for you. I want to photograph all of this. I got Japanese cherry blossom in the new packaging for my mom. Butterfly, butterfly. Check out all the butterfly. And then I got the cacao rose in the scrub. This should be sealed. Yeah, I gotta review this for you guys. So I got this awesome, look at this scrub. It's so neat. I got that. And then I got, oh, I got the butterfly scrub. This is the creamy body scrub. Thank goodness we have a new scrub already. I've been getting sick of that sand and sea salt. It's just basically sand. And then I got fresh water. This is from the men's collection. This apparently is just a repackage. It's not new. It is the Italian Bergamot, Mountain Spring Water, and Oak Moss. I don't think my husband likes this one. I may gift this one to someone, but I just wanted to maybe review that one. And then we have, check it out. Okay, get rid of this. There goes Coco, you guys. Squirrel! Come here. I don't know what she's doing. There's someone out there. Who's out there?
Male.
Oh, the male's out there. That's why she's going crazy. Let's see. There is a new candle holder coming soon. And it's up, you guys. Oh my goodness. I have to get this. I'm going to put a screenshot up. The puffer fish. I need the puffer fish. I don't know why. That one looks like absolutely adorable. It's kind of like a terracotta look. I don't know. I really want the puffer fish, so I was like, that's next on my list. And then they also have the palm. What's it called? It's called the palm tree pedestal. I'm thinking about that one too. I don't know which ones to get. I don't know. I'm loving all these up, but I really like that puffer fish. Okay, are you ready? Check it out. My mermaid is in this box here. How much is the mermaid again? I always get the price wrong. I've been getting the price wrong on this. I thought it was $74. It's not $74. It is $69. I did have a coupon for this one, so I got a little less. So I take this out of the box. It's nice to have the box because then you can actually store them. You know, off season. So let me see. Now, as many of you know, I live on Lake Erie, so I love my beach decor, but I tend to be a little bit more lake beachy than like ocean beachy, and I kind of consider mermaids. Oh, it is pretty. Like a mermaid. Okay, it is pretty, you guys. I'm going to do a demo of this. I got to get the batteries in this thing and do a demo. So check it out. It's pretty in person. It looks a little bit cloudy. I wonder if it's just because it's cold. The video a minute. Coco's barking at the mailman. So it feels cold to the touch a little bit. It's also got this weird blob of glitter that I'm hoping when I start this thing up, the glitter comes off, because if it doesn't, I'm going to have to exchange this one because that's just like a weird ball of glitter. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's pretty in person. I got to say, you guys are right. It's beautiful in person. I like the glitter, and it's not like those foil things that go and it's got like a glitter base, and it's got glitter on top, and then it's got the pearl row. It's also got a switch on the back. I like the back switch, but I'm going to have to play with this and see if I can get this glitter off the side. I think it was just probably like resting on its side for a really long time and the glitter pooled. So I'm going to turn this thing on. I will review it probably tomorrow or the next day, and we'll find out if I really like this thing. So anyway, awesome haul. I'm so excited about all the butterfly products. This was a good one, and I got to get that puffer fish next. That is definitely on my list. So anyway, have an awesome day. I will be back later with some reviews. I will see you guys then. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Bye-bye.